Without you guys, I never done any step in my life. I was thinking many months. I've been very not sure, but I don't know what's happened. That I found your clinic and just something, give me this like hand from another side. Hand, like welcome to our clinic. I can't just because my friends give different clinic, different names, different Istanbul, whatever. But I decided come here. I don't know. I feel like you are waiting for me, and you are the best people who you're gonna look after me. You done very well. You make people happy. I'm in hotel. I feel how people come back with this smile and show it. I can't believe it. I don't know. This make me feel people make happy. You're doing an amazing job. I don't know how you done this, how you create this team. Your team is there forever and ever. Hello, my name is Lilia Kelly. I came from London. I would like to share my experience with Antlara Dental Clinic. I've been looking on Facebook a lot of different clinics, but I found because this clinic on Facebook and I read a lot of feedback, I contact the person who been already on that Facebook contact team. And since first I feel very welcome team, which one from the beginning, they provide me a lot of information. And finally I decided to come to Antalya with my husband, which one he supported me all the time. I decided to do my teeth because I feel a little bit uncomfortable with my smile. And when I walk to this lovely building, I feel very welcome team. It was amazing. I can't explain in words. They done everything possible and impossible for this short time. I done my 24 crowns for 4 days, which one is unbelievable. I didn't feel any pain. I didn't feel any like something inside of me scary. I didn't feel at all because they supported me from the beginning and to the end. And now I feel amazing. I feel comfortable and I feel trusted by this lovely team, which one I recommended everyone who is still looking to do some dental change your smile. And really big appreciate for that team. They make me happy, make me feel comfortable, and make me feel very good to the end of my future. I really appreciate, and without any doubt, if you really looking for dental, Antlara Dental Clinic is the best, which one I recommend. I love so much. I wish my all the best for that clinic from all the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.